Hi there, my name is Steve. I'm the lean trainer at SnapCab in Canada, and I'm here with Glenn, the founder and CEO of SnapCab, and we're sharing some of our experiences from a recent trip to Japan with Paul Akers and his 2-second lean experience. Glenn, what are we going to be looking at today?
We're going to be learning how to count.
Okay, that's...
Like children.
I don't understand exactly how this fits into the Japan experience.
I was impressed at how much care and attention they gave us to, when we were starting this trip, we had to get on and off of trains, and we
walked around busy tourist temples.
Yeah, when the bus leaves, you better make sure everybody's on the bus. So it was essential that we knew how to account for everybody.
Yeah.
So they did an exercise of counting that we're going to share here. And the reason I think it's so good to have this, it was such a good exercise of something as simple as like, well, I know how to count. We used to count off for baseball games when we were picking sides when we were kids.
Yeah.
We counted off when I was in first grade. This is not like a hard thing, yet they spent a lot of time to make sure that we were getting it.
Five,
So it's 1,
6,
2.
6, okay, 7, 8, okay, 8, 9, 10, okay, 10, 11, 12, get together, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, so what this does, and this is a super pushback by me when Jack told me, too complicated, why, everything's working great, Jack, don't screw it up. There's a level of accountability in people, there's a buddy system, and it worked really well. So I didn't like it, but I did it. And it turned out to be very good. So we're gonna try it now. Are you ready?
Mommy's counting. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16.
17, 18.
Wow, so now we're gonna do it again.
Yes.
Did you notice what they did?
Yeah, has he?
Oh,
They
yes.
all pointed. No
That's
other group
perfect.
has ever done that.
It's better.
I know, smart group, smart group.
Smart.
Now, if we want to learn Japanese culture, I'll tell you something else. There's many things in Japan that are so subtle and important. And for me, this is the beautiful thing about this culture. We don't point.
No.
We go like this. Okay?
If they're willing to put this much attention into just counting, think of like taking this kind of effort and putting it towards all of the processes we do here at SnapCab.
Mm-hmm.
I think we should give this kind of attention to the little things that we need to be successful at here at SnapCab.
And that really did make the difference for me. If I was paying attention, I was engaged, I was ready for it. If I wasn't really paying attention, looking at all the things around me, it was really hard to keep up with the numbering, as simple as it was.
I showed the video to my wife and she said, gosh, I wish we had done that when we were traveling with another family in England, because we left one of the kids at one of the subway stations, and then we had to go racing all through London to try and find this lost kid.
I've seen that movie. It was called Home Alone.
Well, I think it was The Bostock Family Visits London.
I can't wait to see that movie.
Yeah.
Okay, so Glenn, we learned how to count. Now, will we go on to seeing Japan?
Yes. Yes, we can go on to see Japan now. We're prepared.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to
All right,
it.
thanks.